Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8, displayed and projected on 1-minute chart. This is a trade, and this is how software giving you alert with entry, stop, and target. And when rules are met, you take a trade. Trade did not play out on 1-minute chart. I'm projecting software on 1, so you can see ultimate precision and simplicity of the system. When the bold red lines are present and rules are met, ultimate stop, ultimate entry, ultimate targets are met. That's it. This is the power of the system for day trading with NinjaTrader 8 software. This is where software is not required. This is critical, crucial preparation for your trade. Market in bullish correction only. Price struggling immensely. We're dealing with extremely limited trading range. This is crucial formation for you right now. If price stuck at this level, nothing good will play out. This is a key. What would we like to see? We would love to see for the price to collapse as low as possible. If not, price remained here for the last 16 hours. If this support remains obeyed, you cannot short into. Your only option to buy from. Again, trading range extremely limited. Intelligent trader understands that with a single glimpse. And that's a major problem for longs. That's it. This is your brilliant effort. Here is 1-minute chart. What is the price showing you? This is a brick wall. This is a problem. Market stuck. So lower the price would collapse, more interesting market will become. If price remains stuck here, this is a problem for shorts. That's it. Very narrow trading range, a whole lot of pain. Again, doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it 5? Is it 10? Is it 15? This is it. Nothing else is possible. Only bearish correction is here. And again, if you are trading with institutions, you understand. This is where market been rallying from since 2020. This is where institutions been defending the markets with longs since June. Again and again and again, buying non-stop. But buyers are weak. With the power of the system, you knew this many months in advance. Institutions do not get in and get out in seconds, in minutes. Institutions moving markets for weeks, months, and years. I teach you how to trade as institutional hedge fund trader, how to think, moving large positions, not as a gambler, not as a reactive, trigger-happy cowboy. That's it. So if institutions stepping in again and buying the market again, this is a very powerful reminder. Obey the rules and understand. This morning we are dealing with extremely narrow trading range. And that's a major problem for longs. And that's a bigger problem for shorts. So separating corrections from spectacular reversals is a key. When markets giving you corrections, it's extremely dangerous structure. This is broker's heaven. This is where broker printing money. Avoiding junk is a crucial part of your success. This is a critical start point. Junk had been in the market for the last 12 hours. Junk can remain for the remainder of the day. That's it. Again and again and again. Doesn't matter if you trade tick, minute, no matter what chart you trade, this is major bearish correction today. There is no conservative trades. They do not exist. Very narrow, very dangerous trading range. Again, day trading brick wall showing you to the upside. Buyers are weak. On day trading chart. Identical level on institutional chart showing you market continue being bought. You never short near these levels. You understand institutional longs waiting to be filled. Since 2020, non-stop. And that's a problem for shorts. And that's spectacular opportunity for longs. This morning we're nowhere near this level. This morning we're drastically higher. So if the price would give you a gift and collapse to as low as possible, that would be a beautiful thing. If not, junky correction remains. It's a dangerous job. Let your broker print money with someone else's money, not yours. You're avoiding the junk. You are a strategic, intelligent human being. You are not a trigger-happy cowboy. You're not creating financial losses. You're not creating stress in your life. You are not a gambler. You are not chasing lucky point. You're only interested in consistent strategic profits. That's it. It is absolutely your choice what you will decide to trade. Identical rules apply. So when David this morning sharing that he accomplished 83 pips on various pairs on Forex today, genius, brilliant trader. Of course, you can trade Forex with Alpha Fibonacci System. No software required. Never, ever, ever. Software came out in 2019. System been traded globally since 2011. So here's the software for long, right before market open. As you could see, how crucial and how incredible the importance of the targets are. So if you decide to trade and take longs, this is your crucial target, as you learn in the course. That's it. Nothing else is possible, only this. And that's where price collapse. And that's your trading range. Non-stop. Only this is possible, nothing else. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade. So when you start separating junky corrections from spectacular powerful markets, your trading shifts to drastically higher, to entirely different level. You're removing stress from your life and you start becoming strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci chess player. You trade markets with rules as Alpha Fibonacci chess with ultimate precisions, as traders do globally across all instruments, all time frames. The only difference trade hold time. That's it. Risk management is crucial. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you and your account. So here's a sell-off on Tesla as a stunning reminder, nowhere to exit your long. Tesla collapsed from 400 until 200 level. This morning Tesla will be testing 197. By the way, please pay attention. Tesla has identical price action as S&P this morning. Identical levels. Sellers fully in charge on Tesla. This will be critical key support on Tesla. This is where buyers stepped in from in 2021. And that's what intelligent trader understands. This is crucial key moment on Tesla. 197. So here's Alpha Fibonacci system with Bitcoin. You know where to exit Bitcoin, you're not buying Bitcoin. It's extremely clear how weak buyers are on Bitcoin. You know where to exit many months in advance. Again, Bitcoin started selling off in October 2021. You look in the charts once a week. Day trading not for everyone. Here's Bitcoin before the crash. You are not a gambler, you're an intelligent, strategic trader. That's it. First time Bitcoin sold off, it skyrocketed from this level. Again, identical level you're witnessing on S&P this morning. Had been critical on Tesla and Bitcoin. Remains critical. Buyers are weak. A year later, after 60+% crash on Bitcoin. From 7,000 level until 19,000 level. Only correction, nothing good happening on Bitcoin. Identical price action to everything you see on S&P this morning. Weakness across the board only. And that's weakness on Bitcoin. Euro. Sell-off on Euro reached astronomical numbers, astronomically low, projected many months in advance. Euro stock in correction only. 94 is historical level on Euro. 94 is out, 88 cents to follow. That's it. Americans buying out Europe. Market is booming for Americans. It's never been this inexpensive. Euro had never been this low. Pound. Correction only, no power. This is critical level on pound. More than 20 years ago, we've seen pound at such low. Again, as you witness, time and time again, all identified in advance, never after the fact. Here's pound a year ago. What would your account look like if you knew where to short pound from? What would your account look like if you understand ultimate sell and buy points? This is a start of sell-off on pound a year ago. Only critical key support left is this one. And when sell-off continues, you are not surprised. You are very well prepared. That's it. Far in advance. Correction only now pound. Correction only on S&P this morning. That's it. Choice is yours if you want to trade pound, euro, Bitcoin, or Tesla, or any instrument. If it has price, Alpha Fibonacci System applies. So if you are shorting bonds, you are doing a brilliant thing. You are not buying bonds. Sell-off is on. Lower is better. Intelligent trader knew this far in advance. Only short on bonds. So UUP is US dollar. Again, stunning bullish rally reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Good for us Americans in the current markets. Historical stunning bullish rally. We're dealing with correction only. For the last 5 weeks, US dollar in correction. The reverse of US dollar UDN as ETF reached complete sell-off. Complete reverse. Oversold. That's it. Price is stuck for the last 5 weeks. If you want to trade ETFs, of course you can. Absolutely. So here's USD CAD traders. USD CAD reached reversal zone. This is key level to the downside on USD CAD. We've been here for the last 4 weeks. So again, here is the bullish rally that's overextended. Here's the pullback we're discussing with students. Again, that's the only option at this level. Here's the software right now. There is no other option. This is the only option. Again, trades play out on multiple charts. Again, I convert the software to 1-minute chart. Do you remember the importance of this target? Do you remember how critical this moment is? This is a key. Intelligent trader trailing carefully. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess to the tick. You don't need to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the power of the system. You see it every single day in the trading room. In the course, you learn the rules. You understand where to enter, you understand where to exit. You are not a gambler. You are not chasing random points. Do you remember how critical this level is? That's it. This is the key. And that's the power of the system, traded globally across all instruments. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you and your account. Would you like to day trade futures with software? Of course you can. Or would you like to trade long-term positions on stocks, on Forex, on crypto, on ETFs? As we reviewed prior, absolutely. Only you can identify if you are meant to day trade, if you can apply ultimate discipline, sniper's mentality, and ultimate technical execution. If not, use system long term. Look at the charts once a day, once an hour, once a week, every 15 minutes, or look at the charts on monthly. Every trader trades different time frame. Every trader has different personal circumstances. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you. That's it. And that's ultimate precision on extremely challenging trading morning. With Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 or without software across multiple instruments. Thank you so much everyone for spectacular week. Thank you so much for spectacular morning. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. I teach you identical system, teach you identical rules. I taught to JP Morgan trader who left JP Morgan and started his own hedge fund. You can trade all instruments, all time frames on all platforms or with software for Ninja 8. Proprietary system traded on Wall Street or more than 50 countries by traders from 14-year-old complete beginner whose father, hedge fund manager, brought him to the course to 90-plus-year-olds who trading system long term. So when you listen to students' podcasts, you will always find students just like you who struggled for many, many years, but not anymore. You can always view students' performance and emails I receive. I look forward to receiving email from you. If Dan has done this 183 points per contract, so can you. If Theo has done this on Forex and futures, so can you. Complete beginner traders holding the bar very, very high. Listen to Pablo's podcast and how he doubled his wife's account, retirement account, and day trading his own. What Richard has done on options. Again, every trader, different background, different personal circumstance, different account size. All you have to do, make an effort and never rush to make an extra dollar. You are not a gambler. You are not a trigger-happy cowboy. You are trading by Alpha Fibonacci rules with ultimate precision. Live classes with each package, lifetime system with each package, lifetime software Ninja 8, group course 2, private mentoring 4, hundreds and hundreds of videos and member area, trading room included. Private mentoring currently offered at 8,000 discount. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. Second option, group course, is the most popular option. When you click, you will see what is included. Current savings $5,000. So thank you traders so much for spectacular week. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you everyone so much.